Hello guys, this is Yaswant and you are watching Yaswant Tech videos with me. In this video we will learn how we can create EBS, Elastic Block Storage, which is like a virtual hard disk for your operating system which you have installed on your Amazon Web Service Cloud. In this video I am going to tell you to create EBS, how you can use resize your hard disk, and how can you attach your storage device to your existing operating system which you have installed on your AWS cloud. First of all, you need to go on, you have to log in your AWS ID. I have already logged in. You can see here Yaswant Tech videos, and in services go to EC2. If you want to see how many instances are installed on your AWS cloud, go to instances, and this is your dashboard. You can see here how many instances are running. You can see here one instance is running, and click on instance, then you will get more detail about that instance. And it's my instance, my operating system, it's Windows Server 2016. I have already accessed on to this instance remotely. You can see here instance ID EC213, and it's same as EC213. Then I have accessed this instance remotely. Okay, now we are going to see how can we add storage to this instance. First I am going to check what is the disk size of my old existing instance. To check, right here, go to run and write here disk mg-empty.msc. You can see here 30 GB, and I am going to add a new hard disk here. In this video we will see to add new hard disk, go to Elastic Block Store, and you can see here volume option. Click on this, and you can see here 30 GB space which I have given to my existing instance. And now I am going to create a new volume. Click on create volume. You can give your size minimum 1 GB and maximum you can see here 16384, means 16 TB. You can give your hard disk size. Which type of volume you want to install, you can select here. I am selecting general purpose SSD hard disk, and the size I am going to give only 5 GB. You can give according to your use. It range between 1 GB to 16 TB. And while creating EBS volume, you need to check what is your availability zone. Now it's showing AP South 1A, and you need to check your instance availability zone. Then I'm going to back to check availability zone. My existing storage in 1B is availability zone, then I will create new storage in this zone 1B. Then I'm going to create new volume. I give 5 GB, and I'll select here 1A, not 1B. If you want to create a snapshot for this volume, you can select here your snapshot. If not, you can tag here. Tagging is required when you search this HDD. I am going to give new HDD and create volume. Now you can see here volume created successfully. You can close. If you want to attach this hard disk, to your existing instance, Then you can select this hard disk. If you want to give name here, you can give name. I have given new HDD. And to attach to your existing instance, select this hard disk and go to action. There will be option attach volume. If you want to modify, if you want to create snapshot, if you want to create snapshot lifecycle or delete, you can select here. But I want to go for attach, then I click on attach volume. You have to give here your instance name. Instance means your operating system which you are using. Then I have only one instance running. I select it and attach. It's in process. As you attached your hard disk, you can see in your instance, and I have already accessed my instance here. I am going to my disk management, and you can see here 5 GB new hard disk is added here. To use this hard disk, right click on disk 1, click on online, again right click and click on initialize disk. Which type of disk you want to have, like you want to use MBR or GPT. I have selected MBR. Now 5 GB disk is unlocated here, and you can create here partition. Now I have created a new volume which name is D drive, and in this PC you can see a new drive, D drive. Then we have successfully created a EBS storage and attached to instance. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new viewer, you can subscribe my channel for new videos. Thanks.